keep working on it so that you can get to, instead of doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, try 1, then sweep, 1, then sweep, 1, then sweep, 1, then sweep, and then eventually try this. And there's 2 different ways to try it, right? You could do the full pattern starting on the left, where you go low, then high, back to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, low, high, and 5, 6, 7, 8, low to high, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you could try it here, starting from underhand, where you go high to low, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, high to low, 5, 6, 7, 8, high to low, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when you keep doing that and you put them together, eventually you'll get to a place where you can just do this, where it's one then the other. And the thing is, the one main thing to look for when you're trying to get it to be the chasing the sun is that you're looking more forward than when you're doing the sweeps. It's very much a side to side experience, right? You're on your left, you sweep, now you're underhand on your right and you sweep. As opposed to, I'm looking front to back and I'm just kind of shifting my weight side to side.